Hello, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, if you're new there, I welcome you. And if you are my family, my friend out there, I welcome you too for this new video. Today I'm doing cleaning and I want to do the vacuum. This is the best vacuum cleaner for anyone that has a carpet. This vacuum cleaner, it's amazing. It cleans, it's 3 in 1. So we have got a very special part here that I want to show you how it works. So this part, this is my soap. With this vacuum cleaner, you don't use any kind of soap or something. There is a special soap that you have got to use, and this is the soap. So with this one, you have got a bottle here that you put a very hot water inside, and then you put this soap, and it works amazing. I also normally add something to make the house smell good. So I put hot water and that soap inside here, and I also add something, a little perfume for cleaning the house that gives the house a very wonderful smell. So, and when you use this vacuum machine, the house becomes, the carpet looks like brand new. This is, as you can see here, there is a part of hard floor. If you are cleaning the house with hard floor, it's also a good one. If you are using the rug like carpet, you press this button here, and under here there is another button. Through this button, it's where you get that this water comes out. So for instance, I want to show you, to demonstrate a little bit with my frog. I want to demonstrate how it works. So, don't mind. This is how I press here. It's a little bit noisy, but it pulls all the dust and the dirt, and it makes the house look very clean. So you turn it on. How you do it. So I want the camera person to come near. As you can see, this is how the house looks like. Dirty. Just watch and see. Any mama outside there who like her house to stay clean, just look before and look the part that we have already demonstrated to show you how this amazing vacuum machine works. So, I can recommend, if you are someone that your house has a carpet, this is the best vacuum machine that you can find in the market, and it's very amazing. I bought it on Amazon and it works magic. Just as you can see, I just told you I will demonstrate a little bit and show you before and after. So I will go ahead and finish my cleaning. As you can see, my carpets in the whole house, there is a carpet. Sorry, this is some cartons I'm using to pack my stuffs. As you all knows that I'm moving. In my room, there is this color of carpet, and this vacuum machine maintains my carpet to look beautiful. This is my kids' room. I have not cleaned it. I'm coming to it, and this is my boys' room. And as you can see, I will also show you after. after I have cleaned all carpets. So thank you so much, guys. Let me go ahead and do the cleaning, and then I will come back and show you the after. Hello, guys. I just want to show you the outcome. This is my kitchen carpet. Actually, it was very dirty. And as you can see, after the cleaning with the vacuum, oh, it looks very clean. This is now the outcome of the whole place after the cleaning. You can see the carpet looks clean, clean, clean. This is the carpet for my kids' room. Yeah. And this is the other one for my boy. Look, just look. Very clean. Very, very clean. So I'm very, very happy with this vacuum cleaner. This is the vacuum for my sitting room. Look, oh, yo, yo, yo. It looks very clean and it smells really, really good. Yeah. So I just finished cleaning, and now I will start arranging the house to make it tidy and clean the vacuum machine. There is another part I would like also to show you guys. Here there is a part, you see, this one. It's what goes allowed cleaning the whole place. So this I will have to clean it. I have some spare to change. Then I clean the whole machine. And yeah, that is it.